Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. On this video, we'll be talking about Ayanda Boroto opens up on Itonga gunshot scene. South African actress Ayanda Boroto recently opened up about the funeral gunshot on the set of Itonga. The emotional scene, where the character Makhumalo bids farewell to her son, went viral. She took to Instagram to share her feelings, revealing how the moment connected deeply with her personal struggle. The heartfelt post resonated with many, showing the raw emotions that blended art with real-life pain. Ayanda Boroto's performance in Itonga left viewers in awe. In a gripping scene, her character, Makhumalo, had to bid farewell to her son. This moment was not in an original script. However, Boroto felt the need to add an unscripted element to fully embody Makhumalo's fears. Protecting nature. The scene featured a gunshot that was never planned. Boroto, who had never fired a gun before, convinced director Nozingelemba to let her include it. She described how the intense moment was more than just acting. It became a deeply personal experience. She shared on Instagram that she had broken down many times before this moment. She kept asking God when things would get better. The pain and exhaustion from past triggers overwhelmed her. As the camera rolled, Boroto let go of her fears and embraced the power of the moment. She later revealed that this scene helped her finally release the pain of losing her twin brother. She never expected that shooting a gun would lead to such a profound emotional release. Boroto explained that after a final bullet was fired, she collapsed to the ground. In that moment, she felt a shift. Her brother was no longer holding on, but transitioning to holding her through the pain. She called it divine guidance through her art. This touching moment showed the true power of storytelling. Boroto's performance was more than just acting, it was healing. Fans praises her for her vulnerability and the authenticity she brought to the role. Her journey is a reminder to trust the process, no matter how painful it may be. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.